Hey guys, here I'm in Explain 10, the latest update from Laminar Research. Today I'm going to show you how to cold start the Boeing 737-800. Let us choose the plane first. Here it is, the Boeing 7-800. To make sure that the plane's engines are not running, I don't press it. Okay, we're gonna choose our location. That's better. Okay, that's good. Morning. No problem. Okay, basically I'm going to show you the checklist how to cold start the 737-800 Boeing. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and these procedures are it just took me 3-4 days. It just took me a lot. Okay. Okay, you double tap there, you come here and zoom, you come here on the stable power, not there. Okay, yeah, here it is, stable power. Click it on auto, close the cover. Then basically, okay, I want you to see that my engines aren't running. My engines aren't running. Okay, after I've chosen it, okay, I come here to the APU, I press it on start till the ATG gauge has reached 10. You know that's the time when the APU has gone on. Okay, next I'm going to turn off the generator 1, APU generators, and the generator 2. I'm going to come, okay, this camera is somehow twitch. Okay, I'm going to come here, your damper, put it on. Okay, after that the ATG switch has reached 10. I come here, open the fuel pumps, open them. Okay, next I'm going to come, mostly we are not doing something basic, we're just doing, okay, I'm going to turn on the hydraulics. Here they are, hydraulic pump, anti-wing ice, engine 90 ice. We are just doing this, so if there are problems in starting on, no problem. Okay, here it is power, ground power available. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, I'm going to come here at engine start, I'm going to select ground power, and when we move out the outside view, okay, you see my engine starting rotating. My engine starts rotating. Oh, is it left or right? Guys, I don't know what basically went wrong. Let's return. Ground power, yes. And why is it not starting? Oh yeah. What is it? No, something. Mixture. Engine 1. Okay, mixture. Engine 2. Okay, let's go back to the drawing board. Okay. Ground power. Okay, it's going to take a lot of time here. Let's try again. I didn't know it